Here we are back with another freaking live stream. Let's get it, man. Camille, what's good with you, Camille? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Man. So we are going to do some live trading. Oh shit, let me not share my screen yet. I slept well last night. Jack, what's good, Jack? It was definitely a fun sleep stream, I'd say. Interesting one, like always. I'm liking silver these days, and I'm liking gold. Silver, gold. We'll put one for SPX as well as, yeah. A little busy with my work, I feel that. What are you doing for work? No, yeah, this is not the right one. Spider Gold Trust. This is the one. But the other one, wait, the other one might be a little cheaper though. Hey, and I'm not rich by any means. Oh, you're doing homework? Type shit. Type shit. All right. Let's get it, man. So today, we're doing some trading. Voila! This is my first time back trading on stream since early last week. And it's definitely something I want to keep going. Yeah. So we got to do this every day in the morning. Let's see what TJR is up to. Is he not live? Fuck. Get on stream, bro. Get on stream, bro. 13 high school. Damn. 13 high school. And the math is too hard, but I just keep studying for days. That's what you have to do. It's supposed to be hard. If it's not hard, you're not gonna grow. You feel me? Like, I know that sucks to hear, but that's just the reality of it, gang. You'll figure it out. We all gotta go through it, you know? Alright, so let's check this out. Holy fuck, this has been getting crushed. This thing right here has been getting straight nailed. Let's see. Let's see if we can pull up an advanced view. Can we pull up a different view, please? No? Word. 6, 7. Bro, of course. Of course. Alright, here we go. Let's pull up a legend chart for this. Wait, no, I gotta pull up trading view. Essential. Alright. Before we get started, I just want to say I am not an expert by any means. I barely know what I'm doing, but this is mostly for entertainment purposes. So what are you doing? I am trading. I'm trying to figure out whether this is going to go up or whether it's going to go down. That is trading in simple terms. All right, we need the 1 day. If we scroll in, we could get like the down to the fucking 3 minute. See price action right here. Little dip. It's looking good. The lows are getting higher and the highs are getting higher. So that's a good sign. Do we see the same here? I mean, you can't really see it in this view. It's not really the best view. Let's refresh. See if the view changes. Nope. Alright. Type shit. Draw for this. Yes. Let's open up another trading view. What time is it? It is 9:01. Danielle was good. Love was good. I am trading. I'm trying to figure out if gold and silver is going to go up or if it's going to go down. Are you bored or not? Nah. All this shit's kind of new to me, so like I'm still learning. Barely know what I'm doing, but I feel like that's the best way to learn. You got to do shit when you're confused as fuck. And then you lose, and that's the best way to win for real. It is when you lose, because then you learn from your losses. Sometimes you can win and just get lucky. Sometimes you can lose and you just get spanked and you don't know what the fuck happened. You don't know what the fuck you need to fix, because it's like, all right, yo, I need to fix everything, gang. You feel me? So that's why, like, I've been watching a ton of videos on this stuff. Do I understand it? No. No, not fully. What am I making for dinner? I have no clue. I don't know. Dr. Pepper Baby is good and nice. Dr. Pepper Baby? What you mean by that? What you mean by that? But yeah, yo, what y'all got going on today, chat? And we're gonna open up another one. SLV. Oh shit. Trading view. SLV. When the rest of the market is getting shit on, you go for commodities like gold and silver. Word on the block is that they're the safest bet. Wait, what? No way. Bro, I'm trying to tell you, all it takes is one moment to change your life forever. 1 second. Alright, well, maybe not a second, but fuck, gang. Nah, yo, good for her. She probably been singing all her life or something. She deserves it. Alright, so right now it's in consolidation. It's not moving up. It's not going down. It's just trading sideways. Which website can I start getting money? So they say the prop firms are the best for those. Or sorry, not the best. I think it's called like a Lightning funded account. Try a Lightning funded account. I've heard those let you get weekly payouts. But I'm just using my Robinhood account because I already had some buying power in there, so I'm just trading with that. I honestly, to God, probably should be using a funded account, but I figured if it's my money, I'm going to be way more careful with it, and it's going to force me to learn. You know, like sit down and learn and actually think about the shit that I'm doing. Versus if I was just given a $50,000 account and all I paid for it was $100, I'm probably going to blow that shit. I'm going to put in some fat ass trades, try to win a lot of freaking money, but this way, we're doing it slow. We're inching slow. Feel me? Inch by inch, centimeter by centimeter, brick by brick. All right, well, yeah, this ain't moving too much. Not really liking it. Let's put a little. What are you doing today? So this is what I'm doing in the morning, and then around lunchtime I gotta go do something, and then late in the afternoon going to run club. Yeah. And then at night we are reacting to Burst of Love. So got some good shit going on. Chat. Yeah. What you got going on today? Oh yeah, you said nothing? Type shit. I gotta hear this Dr. Pepper jingle real quick. Let's get the spirits up. Pop that thing, let it clap. Dr. Pepper.
Bluetooth mode.
That's it? Nah, yo, good for her, man. Good for her. Hell yeah.
I have a theme song for Dr. Pepper, and it goes like this. Dr. Pepper, baby, is good and nice. Do-do-do. I have a theme song for Dr. Pepper, and it goes like this. Dr. Pepper, baby, is good and nice.
What? Bro, nah, yo, that's so tough. That's so tough. That's tough. Nah, yo, good for her. Hold up. Alright, yo, I fuck with this, not gonna lie. Like, yo, that's so tough. That is so tough that they get a free trip. But damn, where my free trip to Africa, gang? Where my free trip to Africa? Come on, man. Like, damn, a 10-day trip. Y'all can't send me and my boys to Africa? Come on, man. Come on, man. That shit not fair again. I had a friend who did that. What the fuck? Bro, dropping these stats in high school is absolutely insane. Dr. Pepper, baby, it's good and nice. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's just gonna be stuck in my head. That's gonna be stuck in my head, gang. This is hard. Or, alright. Let's keep the main thing again. New price action. refresh. It's gonna change. So that's dropped off. Nice to see you. Love to see it. I be praying on these motherfuckers' downfalls. Alright. Yeah, yesterday gold had a great freaking day. Can it do it again though? That's the real question. Or will it sell off? What type of data silver at? Trade it sideways. Usually when it trades sideways, let's zoom out. Alright, well, that doesn't really help. Gold, I'm expecting a breakout gain. Alright, what's another one that we like? I think Delta Airlines. Open in a new tab. Dr. Pepper, baby, it's good and nice. Ooh, it's looking good. I can't lie. Oh yeah, that's looking good. That's looking good. That's looking good. But all the stocks probably looking like this because this shit just been crashing. Yesterday, everything got fucked. Now it's trading sideways. SpongeBob Big Guy Pants okay. Hey, SG, I appreciate it. Thank you for joining. Thank you. I'm checking something real quick. I just need to see which way the market's moving. Spiked up here. I've seen this before. I've played these games before. That's the way I be looking at this shit. Like, yo, I played these games before. I've seen this movement. Yeah, bro, that should be. It low-key do be annoying though. I can't lie. All right, so we have about 17 minutes until markets open. Let's see what's going on. CNBC. Ooh. All right, so he's not forcing to acquire Greenland. Okay. Yeah. So it was me and the mod. All right, back Camille. Are they live right now?
That's our technology. That's our stuff. We had a lot of courage and they were good fighters and they did a good job and we wiped out the Iran nuclear threat like nobody can believe. Nobody's ever seen anything like it. That, Venezuela, taking down Soleimani, wiping out al-Baghdadi when he tried to reinstitute ISIS. We did a lot. A lot of big things. All perfectly executed. Everyone was perfectly executed. Somebody told me that, a military expert told me, "Sir, everything you've done has been perfectly executed." I said, "I know." So other presidents have spent, whether foolishly or not, trillions and trillions of dollars on NATO.
All right, very true,
Got
SG. Very
absolutely
true.
Nothing in return. We've never asked for it.
It's just like when they spam comments, when they spam shit, like that be annoying. Slash when they say offensive stuff. Like you never know who's watching. You never know who's watching. That's my biggest thing. So like if I just let that happen, it looks bad on me. But yeah, that's where I'm coming from with that.
It's a once. The number of people in this room times 30. Think of it. 30,000 soldiers died in 1 month. The month before it was 27,000. The month before that it was 28,000. The month before that it was 25,000. It's a bloodbath over there. And that's what I want to stop. It doesn't help the United States.
What's good, Milo?
These are souls. These are young.
Yeah, I know.
Bluetooth mode.
I was watching a couple of videos of people in Greenland, and they are not going for it.
World War II. They keep going. They'll exceed World War II. The numbers are staggering. How many people they've lost? They don't want to talk about it. Ukraine and Russia lost just tremendous amounts.
Milo.
And I'm dealing with President Putin, and he wants to make a deal, I believe. I'm dealing with President Zelensky, and I think he wants to.
That is very true, SG.
Today.
Good point. Good point. Good point.
The audience right
See what SG look like.
But they got to get that war stopped.
Type shit.
Because too many people are dying, needlessly dying. Too many souls are being lost. It's the only reason I'm interested in doing it. But in doing it, I'm helping Europe, I'm helping NATO, and I've until the last few days when I told them about Iceland, they loved me. They called me daddy, right? Last time.
They called me daddy. What the fuck?
A smart man said, he's our daddy. He's running it. I was like running it. I went from running it to being a terrible human being. And now what I'm asking for is a piece of ice, cold and
True, SG. Very true. Very true.
that can play a vital role in world peace and world protection.
That's a
It's
a good
very
point.
small ask compared to what we have given them for many, many decades. But the problem with NATO is that we'll be there for them 100%. But I'm not sure that they'd be there for us. If we gave them the call, gentlemen, we are being attacked. We're under attack by such and such a nation. I know them all very well. I'm not sure that they'd be there. I know we'd be there for them. I don't know that they'd be there.
I'd
So,
be
with
there.
all of the money we expend, with all of the blood, sweat, and tears, I don't know that they'd be there for us. They're not there for us on Iceland, that I can tell you. Our stock market took the first dip yesterday because of Iceland. So Iceland's already cost us a lot of money. But that dip is peanuts compared to what it's gone up. And we have an unbelievable future in that stock. That stock market is going to be doubled. We're going to hit 50,000, and that stock market's going to double in a relatively short period of time because of everything that's happening.
All right, so
This is a good example. After giving
him saying that the stock market is gonna double, like right, that clip right there, boom. I wonder if that's gonna give a bunch of investors hope, right? And then they're gonna be like, all right, let's fucking flood the markets now.
various other things that they were doing.
Now, facts, Milo.
They were making $50 million, but it would take them 3 years to give you a Patriot missile. I said, that's not good. My chauffeur can do a better job than that, and he makes slightly less than 50. They make big salaries. If they
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah, they are not fucking with us.
The good news is
They are not fucking with us.
They're going to start making it a lot faster. They're going to build additional plants, and all of the money that goes into stockbot.
Damn.
Bluetooth mode.
Most devastating plane, fighter jet ever. Who knows? They called it. 47. If I don't like it, I'm going to take the 47 off it. I wonder why they called it 47. What to think about that. But if I don't like it, I'm going to take
100 mil?
47 off. But it's supposed to be.
Why do I feel like that's not a lot compared to everything that's in the stock market though?
Undetectable, like
Of course, it's that's a little chunk. That's a little chunk. That's more than what I put in there.
They did their job.
By 4.
Got the hell out of there. So we want a piece of ice for world protection, and they won't give it. We've never asked for.
Bro said we want a piece of ice for
We
world
could have
protection.
kept that piece of land, and we didn't. So they have a choice.
Treasury
You can
bonds.
say yes,
To be honest,
and we will be very.
I'm a little bit of a
appreciative.
finance guy, but I don't know
Or
shit
you
about
can
treasury
say
bonds.
no, and we will remember. A strong and secure America means a strong NATO. And that's one reason why I'm working every day to ensure our military is very powerful, our borders are very strong, and above all, our economy is strong because national security requires economic security.
I'm financed to the ground up.
We have the greatest that we've ever had. Biden and his allies destroyed our economy and gave us perhaps the worst inflation in American history. They say 48 years, I say forever, but I think 48 years is the equivalent to forever. Whether it's 48 years or ever, it's terrible. Costing the typical family $33,000. What they did to this country should never, ever be forgotten. Really. But he has to be rated as the worst president we've ever had by far. The auto pen did much of the damage. The auto pen, he was the auto pen president. Because I don't believe a sane president would have ever signed the kind of things that he signed.
Yeah, Milo, that's the way it
But
goes.
now grocery prices, energy prices, airfares, mortgage rates, rent, and car payments are all coming down, and they're coming down fast. We inherited a mess, but we've done a hell of a job in 12 months. Under my most favored nation policy for drug prices, the cost.
All right,
of
yo, can you just get
drugs
straight
is
to it,
coming
bro?
down
Can you get straight
by
to it, bro?
Up to 90%.
Like,
depending
bro,
on the way you calculate, you could also say 5,
can you get
6,
straight
7,
to it, game?
800%. There are 2 ways of figuring that. But we have a
Like, yo, get straight to the point, game.
policy
Shit.
that every president wanted, no president was able to get. I got it, and other nations approved it. And I had to use tariffs in order to get it because they said no way. In other words, a pill that costs
TJR,
10%
can you
in
start trading, bro?
quantity
I'm trying to take your
costs
trades, bro.
$130.
Oh shit.
They could cost $10
Oh,
in London, cost $130.
I gotta put this on the watch later.
in New York or in Los Angeles.
That's crazy.
And I'd say, boy, that's bad. Friends of mine would say, you know,
You graduated at
you can buy
15.
this stuff for nothing. We go all over the world. We can
That's.
buy it for nothing.
I'm sorry, but that's not possible,
Because
game.
basically America was subsidizing every nation in the world because presidents allowed them to get away with it. It became very tough. So when I called up Emmanuel Macron, I watched him yesterday with those beautiful sunglasses.
Speed out there in Nigeria.
I watched him sort of be tough. But he was at $10 for a pill. And I said, Emmanuel, and I have all the big pharmaceutical companies are in total agreement. It wasn't easy, by the way. They're tough, smart.
Word, Milo.
Getting away
Word.
with the scam for a long time. But they gave it up. But they said, you'll never get the countries to approve it. I said, why is that? Because they won't. They always
All
say,
right,
"We're
so
not
let's
paying
see.
anymore. Get the rest for the United States." So over the years, they stayed the same. We just went up, up, up.
All right, cool. I got enough information out of that. Let's do a nice little Google search. How are markets feeling about Trump address? Damn. All right, yeah, he's holding off on tariffs. That's what I thought. Yeah, that's a bet. That's a bet. That's a bet. They had you at 16. Damn. A treasury bond is a long-term debt security issued by the U.S. When you buy one, you are essentially lending money to the federal government for a fixed period, typically 20 or 30 years. What's the interest rate on that, though? That shit gotta be good. Yo, I would hope that's good. I would hope that's good. Oh shit, yo, we got about 5 minutes till market's open. Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing my portfolio go up too. But that's just short-term action right there. Let's go. As of January 21, 2026, U.S. Treasury rates are as follows. The 10-year Treasury note yield is approximately 4.29%. I mean, if you got about $1 million in there, what is that, 40K a year? Damn near 50? While the 30-year is about 4.91%. Nah. Wait, so I wonder why, right, like there's all these vehicles, right? Why, if the rate is that low, why throw it in there? Probably because it don't go down. Like, yeah, so that doesn't go down, but things like the stock market go down. They're more volatile. I don't know if bonds go down too, though. I don't know much about bonds, but like, why not just throw that bitch in the stock market? Watch it go up like 8 to 11%. Yeah, Bry is cool. Bry is cool, and it's just Bryce. It's not Bryson. Nah, yo, you good, you good, you good. Can I see a different view? You have a girlfriend? Nah, no girlfriend, gang. Thought I was married? Why? Hey, yo. I'm liking gold. Yesterday we played with gold. We're gonna play with it again. You seem like a married kind of guy. Take that as a compliment. Like a 15 years. Wow, 15 years ago, how long? I was like 11, 15 years ago. Nah, yo, you good. You good, you good, you good. Yeah. All right, and now it is 9:30. Let's get ready to rumble. It is time. Yes, sir. All right. So we're going to wait for a pattern to form. I feel like that strategy works for me. But usually whenever I just go right in, like the one day when I got fucked, it was 9:30 and I was like, all right, bet. Fuck it. Let's go. Can you get lucky like that? Yeah. Yeah, of course you can. Can you get fucked like that? Of course. You can get fucked a lot of ways in this shit, gang. This shit not for the weak, little bro. The one day I actually want to watch TJR, he's not trading, bro. Guess my real name? Milo. Milo. Here we go. Damn. Of course that bitch up today. Alright, let's see how the S&P 500 is moving today. Alright, well, if that's the case, then I don't know how I'm supposed to guess your name. That's going to be kind of hard to do. One red candle. Now let's zoom in on this. Can I zoom in? Bro, come on, dog. Yo, let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. All right, there we go. Let's do the 10-minute view. Let's do a 5-minute view. Price is definitely trying to move up. It's trying. It's like fighting for its life to move up right now. Huh? Ice donation? Alright, so that means, is Chipotle going down? Hold on, Chipotle could be going down. Let's look at Chipotle. Wait, no. Since they got rid of the CEO, that calls for, especially if he's doing something like that, that's a good thing. All right, let's make some money off Chipotle and then go get some Chipotle today. Is it gonna pull back at all? It's gotta pull back, right? Let's see what's good with Chipotle. Okay. I don't know, man. Actually, yo, we're 3 minutes in. We're 3 minutes in. Let's wait. Let's be patient. Wait for a sign. We gotta wait for a sign. Need something a little more stable here. Can this shit start forming, gang? Come on, man, do something. You're a vulture, my dude. It's so hard to not just pull the trigger right now. Alright, so what are we seeing here? I don't even know. What the fuck am I looking at? Wait, why does it do this? It has this right here, right? I'm gonna zoom in on this. And then, no. Let's go. Oh yeah, good thing I didn't play this one, because this one. Let's see, where is it at now? Yep. Wait for this to pull back. See, the thing is, I don't know which direction the market's gonna go in, because Trump's doing his address. Oh shit. I was eyeing this one too. Milo, what's your real name? Oh, Loki getting crushed. See what's Chipotle doing. It's so tempting, right? To just ride it. Pause. Let's see it in trading view. This is usually the best view right here. Alright, whatever. Let me zoom in on it. I don't know. I'm only 21. I don't know. Why is there no graph being formed? What do I eat for lunch tomorrow? Bro, you're already thinking about lunch tomorrow? Bro. Hey, yo. Cool, so if price broke this point right here, we gotta go for it. 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 Let's go for it. Yeah, let's go for it. Hold on, hold on. Let's be a little smart about it. Let's be a little smart about it. Let's check the trading view. Fuck this mean, game. It's still trading sideways. But it's making like this V shape right here. When I'm in DC, they call me Mo. Well, it depends on what type of food you have. Depends on what food you have. Alright, chat. I can't lie. Do we do it? It's making this V shape. It looks like it's breaking out a bit. So here we got the 3 red. Now we got the 3 green over here. I don't know. It keeps playing ping pong. Oh, another green candle is forming. Wait, hold on. That bitch just turned red. That bitch definitely just turned red. I say we go for it. Oh, of course. The price just went up a lot, actually. Well, not a lot, but it moved a good amount. Let's go with this Chipotle play. Alright, a little bit of a pullback. No, I'm on a road. Looks like shit's kind of pulling back right now. Let's open up another one. close these out. This is just noise at this point. Aura, big motion man. Your pigskin, like your football? It's been a while since I heard somebody call football a pigskin. That's hard though. Is it Vanessa? Your name is Vanessa. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Vivian. The highs are getting high, and the lows are getting higher. I feel like we just gotta go for it. Grab the wheel, grab the wheel, grab it, leg up to it. Alright, let's close one of these. Alright, shit's starting to pull back a little bit. I'm liking the silver play. Yesterday we did a nice little silver play. I think we opened it around this point too. Yeah. Oh shit, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, damn. Damn. I don't see it going to 86 though. Well, if I keep being a bitch, I'm not going to make any money. But also being a bitch could keep me from losing money. But scared money don't make no money. If I ever go broke, I'm just going to take some money. Alright. Let's, God, stop moving. God damn. This shit keep moving. Looks like everything's pulling back though, which is a good thing when things slightly pull back. Drives out the price. See, if we would have bought it at 85.5, we'd be down right now. So we're gonna wait for this to keep going down a bit. Go down, go down. Green candle. Fuck it, let's do it. Let's just do one, see what happens. Alright, so now we are in our first trade. We are in our first trade, chat. And of course, it sinks. ISO, what's good, ISO? get it, man. So we're gonna sit here and watch this. Oh fuck. See, the good thing about this is we learn damage control. So when it goes down way too much, gotta learn to get your money back. Pull out. When it goes up a good amount, yeah, you can get greedy and be like, oh, yo, just give me the money, give me the money, give me the money. But nah, you gotta be a little realistic with the shit, gang. It's like, as fast as it went up, it could also come down. And as fast as it's going down, it could also come up. You feel me? Yo, ISO, somebody in my chat was talking about you the other day. They were like, you used to respond to all their messages, and then now all of a sudden you started getting some motion. Now you stopped. Like, damn, bro. All right, let's look at the chart though. I think at this point right here is the resistance. It will not go below that. Oh shit. And it just freaking did. Bro, I swear this shit is nutty, bro. This shit is so nutty. Come on, we need a rally game. There we go. There we go. Pop out. Pop out. Pop out, twin. 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 You got your card? What card? Pop out, twin. All right, so since we bought at about 85.3, I think if this shit hit 86, we're in good hands. You got a Visa card. Wow. This man Monty eating healthy. He got a debit card. You're really turning your life around, gang. It's so hard to just like not just sit here and watch this shit, you know? I could watch this all day. Am I supposed to? No. Is it healthy? Probably not. But it's like, bro, I have to. Baby, what else? This shit's falling fast though. I can't lie. Oh fuck. Where the pullback, gang? Where the pullback? Yo, Yo, stand up for yourself, gang. Shit, yo, stand up for yourself, gang. Yo, what you doing down there, bro? You don't belong down there. Yo, you're a king. Yo, Silver, you are a king. You don't want people to think that you're a bitch, right? You don't want people to think that you're a bitch. So stop being a bitch. Come on, Silver, lock in, gang. That's what I'm saying. Yo, lock in, Silver. Yo, chat. Tell Silver lock in, gang. Yo. Oh my gosh. Silver, come on, bro. Everybody been saying gold better than you, bro. I know that's not true, though. I know that's not true. Like, bro, me personally, bro, I wouldn't let that rock, bro. Like, yo, you look way better than gold, bro. Like, Silver, yo, you look way better than gold. Mm. 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 Chat, do not do this shit at home. This shit straight free falling. This bitch straight free falling right now. I swear, like, it's so crazy because, like, whenever I look at shit, right? Whenever I look at shit, it'll be doing the most subtle movements. And then all of a sudden, whenever I make the play, it decides to go, wee! And just start, like, just crashing, gang. You feel me? All right, so we're just gonna leave this alone. Let's not even look at it. Damn, I knew I should have made this play. It's not too late. It's still looking good too. All right, let's take gold out of the equation. Let's take this out of the equation. Too expensive. Chipotle, you looking good, twin. I can't lie. You are looking good, Chipotle, but I can't do it. Let's see what's up with Delta Airlines. No? Fuck. Why is it not trying to move? There we go. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Start running. Start running, Silver. Running, man. Running, man. Running, man. As much as it just fell, just know it can rise that much. But it could also start falling again. That's just the reality of this shit, gang. That's just the reality of this shit, gang. Alright. let's start looking at other shit. All right. Five minutes. Let's look at the 2-minute view. It's definitely pushing up. Word. Camille, what's good, Camille? Oh, yeah. Keep on running. Keep on running. It's hard to not look at it whenever I see the price like jump up. You know what I mean? Like, I just gotta detach from the trade a little bit. I can't go into that tab repeatedly. I feel like once I get the hang of this and I start making 2, 3, 4, 5 trades a day, I just gotta become numb and trust in my instincts. Trust that it will work out. But yeah, here we go. Let's look at the 2-minute view. That way we can see some more price action. All right, so here we are. This is Delta Airlines. Just looking at this all morning. All morning, I mean like for like 20 minutes. Word. Pushing up a little bit. Push up on it, push up on it. Oh, shit. Let's make the trade. Strong buy. I wonder if this is like for today or just like long term. Let's go with it. Let's submit it, gang. All right, so we got 2 trades in. One for Delta, one for Silver. Now we got to practice patience and damage control. Open that in a new tab. Let's take away Chipotle. We're not serious about that. Holy shit, bruh. Y'all don't understand, man. The type of rush I got going on just to make $20 is crazy. All right, so this definitely looks like it's at least gonna flirt with $69. Nice little $4 return. Okay. When do we want to close this position? I want to close it when it hits $69. So whatever return that is, we live with it. It is what it is. A positive day is better than a negative day. Yes. Oh, fuck. lows keep getting lower here, which is kind of scaring me. Oh fuck. Bro, we just gotta stay strong. We just gotta have faith. You gotta have a lot of fucking faith in this shit, gang. Faith, no emotion. That is key. There we go. Break out then. Break out then, little bro. Break out then, little bro. I see you trying to run. So just do it, gang. Just do it, no Nike. I see you trying to run, Delta. Hey, take off like the goated airline that you are. Take off like the goated airline that you are, gang. Are you the best airline in the game or not? It's looking like you're not right now. Yo, me personally, Delta, I wouldn't let Spirit do this to me. Because, like, Spirit probably got some good returns going. Delta, you kind of slacking game for real. They keep flirting with that 69 line. Oh, God. This shit is worse than watching paint dry, bro. I can't lie. And I'd be lying if I said this is fun. Do you get a nice little rush from it? Yeah. Yeah. Is it fun though? Nah. Nah. Not at all. Michael was good. Het mob? What does that mean? Alright, one thing I don't understand. Ooh! We broke through 69. There we go. One thing I don't understand is how this price can move so much, but this doesn't. Like, I don't know if it's because I only have one contract in, so price isn't going to move that much. Yo, you must have been saying something crazy. If I time you out during the sleep stream, I promise you it's because you're saying something crazy. Yeah. Because essentially, I'm a brokey trying to learn how to trade. So it's like, hey, man, we all got to learn together, right? This is day 5 of me trading. Oh, you're just typing song lyrics? All right, then. I don't know. Maybe it wasn't me. Maybe it was me. Could have been me. Could have been the mod. I don't know. I don't know. I'm only 21. I don't know. Oh, yeah. Take me through there. Take me through there. Take me through 69. Take me through 69. Take me through there. Take me through there. Take me through there. Take me through there. I feel like being up 10% on a day is good. That's actually freaking amazing. If we were to scale this, right? If we were to scale this, this would be fucking great. It'd be a great day. Like, if I put in 3 more contracts, right? That'd be freaking amazing. There's a lot of people who would beg for that shit, bro. Beg to be up 10% in a day. 11%. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is so tempting to not just, like, leave it in. Pause. Take me through there. Take me through there. Alright. If it goes up one more dollar, we pull out. What's good, game? It's quite wrong. Do you trade? Do you trade? Like, yo, teach me. I'm literally been teaching myself and then like DMing people who I know who trade. Just trying to learn. Just trying to learn from everybody I know. / watching videos on YouTube. Oh yeah. So am I like some expert trader? Fuck no. But yo, we gonna get there though. We gonna get there. Ooh. Ooh. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. And boom, we get out of there. That's a good trade to me. That's a good trade to me. I don't trade, I make real money. If you want to make that kind of money, let me know. Of course, I'm always open to new ways to make some money. And of course, it just keeps going up and going up and going up. That's the thing about this trading shit, gay. Like, how much you got on you? Like, total? Michael sound like a scammer. That's what I'm saying, bro. All right, so now we got this price action that we're watching over here too. Guess you got at least 100K. I'm not disclosing that on a stream. Carter, what's good, Carter? So we are day trading. I just closed out on one position for $14 and trying to close out on another for... I just want to string together positive days. So even if I string together 5 days where I make $5 each day, right? Like, obviously that's not a lot, but it lets me know that the system I'm doing, something's right. You feel me? That's what I'm saying, boo. Like, I'm just ready to tell them on a live stream. It's not that. It's not that. It's just like, why do I tell people how much money I have? You never know who's watching. I could say I have $200 to somebody. That'd be a lot of money, and they need $200 to pay a bill. Then they end up robbing me, and then I'm cooked, gone, done for. All right, so we see this W down here. It's definitely trying to break out. It's fighting for its life right now. I like it. Oh my god, bro. If I just would have left that shit in. Oh my gosh, bro. But hey, it could be the other way around, and I'm like, fuck. If I just would have pulled out, then I wouldn't have lost money. When you take profits, you can't lose. You feel me? I was asking your Bitcoin reserves, dog, not your net worth. Oh. I'm definitely in Bitcoin. Definitely in Bitcoin. Love Bitcoin. Have a lot of faith in Bitcoin for sure. A lot of faith in Bitcoin. No, I'm on the road. Come on, Silver. I just want to see you take off, gang. Like, I just want to see you go on a good run. I'm not even saying this for any selfish reason. I just genuinely love Silver. Do I have any Silver? No. Not physically. Started investing in real estate today. I invested for the first time when I was 16. All right. How'd you do that in 16? Without parents' help? All right. Wait. Hold on. You at least got some money from family. You can't say you did that by yourself. Do you live in America at least? Because, yo, that would be fucking crazy. That'd be crazy. Now I'm on the road. A little resistance here. A little break. A little break. Okay. Come on, run. Let's see what it's doing on this chart right here. So it definitely looks like it's trying to run. If this candle turns green and it closes green, and then another one forms here, that's green bean. That's green bean. Nope, I didn't take a single penny from my mom and dad. I placed bets using the money I made off digital marketing. Oh, fuck. Alright. That's interesting for sure. Damn. Damn, that's tough. So what advice do you have for me as a young 26-year-old guy? What should I be doing? What can you buy with Bitcoin? You can actually buy stuff with Bitcoin. Some places. You could pay people in Bitcoin. Yeah, it's possible. Started making money since I was 15, dog. You know, by 18, I had my own house. My friends thought I was wasting my teenage years, and now they regret. Damn. It's crazy because that's how I feel. Speed want to race me? Bro, he's slow, That's how I feel. I bought this place I'm in now, in my early 20s. And sometimes I regret it. I'm like, damn, what if I use that money to travel the world? Or like, I gave myself a little more location freedom. Can you sell Bitcoin for money? Yeah, you just gotta pay taxes on it, but yeah, you can. I think Trump's trying to take away taxes on Bitcoin. But yeah, you can. The way I look at Bitcoin, because I'm obviously not a millionaire. If you're a millionaire, you can use it as like a get rich quick scheme. But like, I look at it as like another savings account. That's just another savings account. That's pretty much any crypto or stock though. But I feel like Bitcoin has been outpacing real estate, I believe. It's pulled back a little, but so has real estate. It's been outpacing a lot of freaking assets. Crazy. Oh my gosh, yo, why did I pull out of this so soon? But it could be the other way around. And I'm like regretting myself, like just hating my guts. Oh my god, chat, y'all saw the play too. Oh my god, y'all saw the play. I was right, but I wasn't patient, bro. Nah, so rapid. I made money off of this, but I pulled out around like 69.14, and now look. So I probably would have made like another, I think like another $20, maybe another 15. I don't know. I would say explore the dark web more. Oh shit, it's super safe. I told you last time, invest 10K into QQQ. Who do you think I am, bro? Hey, yo. Let's see where that is, though. QQQ. We could make another play. This shit is addicting, bro. Like, bro. Yeah, well, obviously I would have been good, but I need 10K liquid cash to just be able to be like, boom. There you go. And I'm not pulling out of anything long term, because that's not really the smartest thing to do. Nah, yeah, I didn't miss it. Oh, it said explore the dark web, do transactions in Bitcoin over there. It's super safe. Then go fishing in the web, buy real estate, pick up gold from the Middle East, and stock it up in the U.S. Buy real estate on the dark web? No. Buy real estate, pick up gold from the Middle East. Is that the play that you did? We not doing no dark web. Yo, that's what I'm saying, bro. What the fuck? Nah, I mean, maybe it is safe, but like, I don't know. There's some things I just don't trust, game. Some things I just don't trust. Oh, here we go. Here we go, Silver. Here we go, Silver. Go for a little run, Silver. Go for a little run, Silver. Go for a little run, Silver. Dark web is the future, dog. If you want to make real money while just chilling around, it's the place. But what is there to do on the dark web? That's what I don't get. That's what I don't get. And of course, I might be a little ignorant to it, but like, what exactly is it, you know? Is it just a bunch of people selling firearms and bombs and people that you can't sell? Or stuff that you can't sell on like Amazon or what? Yeah, Rapid. Definitely not running that on my phone or nothing. Hell nah. You will love it. Word. It's 4 a.m. in 15 minutes. Huh? Oh, it's 4 a.m. and 15 minutes. So it's 4:15 where you're at. W. I was buying PayPals and cards on the web and made a lot of money from scamming in banks and ATMs, but forgot to do one simple thing without going on the web. Got all my Bitcoin stolen. Oh, I know that hurt. I know that hurt you, gang. Wait, hold on. You just admitted to scamming, bro? Come on, bro. Yo, we gotta do better. We gotta do better. Yo, Michael, fuck no, what? Is bro trading for Chipotle money or traveling funds? Chipotle money. It's been a while since I had Chipotle. Actually, nah, yo, I just had some on Saturday. But, oh my god. Chat. I know y'all see the play. I know y'all see the play. I sold this super early. I sold this so early, bro. Oh my gosh. I sold this at 69.14. It wouldn't have been that much more. Well, actually, it would have been like $30 more I would have made. I just got to learn to be patient, gang. But also, patience could fuck you, and then it goes the other way around, and then you lose. But in this shit, you can't be scared. Oh my god. I know y'all see the play. I'm gonna show y'all the play, matter of fact. Can I show it? Yeah, so this is what I did. Wait, is this it? Dow? Yeah. I don't even know how to pull up the contract price, honestly. Alright, whatever. Wow. I did not think it'd go up that much. Yeah, I sold it at 69.14. Got like a nice little $14 profit. And now look at it. Let me what's good, let me. Oh, this shit's getting crushed. Holy fuck. Stop loss? Nah, fuck a stop loss. Am I insane right now? Am I crazy? That's what I'm saying. Like, bro trying to get me to buy his course. He been in the chat for 2 days. Bro. Oh my gosh. Shit straight free falling, gang. Yannick was good. What's good, Yannick? Oh my god. Silver. Silver, yo, you gotta do better, little bro. Silver, right now you were looking like a bitch. You were looking like a bitch. For real. Just woke up. Hit a nice little play. Now I'm just... Well, this is the first play I put in today. I obviously, by the way it's looking, I should have waited a little longer. But, that's about it. That's about it. Word. Yo, DM me on Instagram if you serious. If you serious about it, Michael, you'll DM me on Instagram. But what's up with you today, Yannick? What you got going on, bro? Holy fuck. Yeah, yo, it's been going crazy. It's been going crazy. Send your email? No, bro. What the fuck? Bro. Finna get breakfast. Thai shit. Bro, you gotta get that. You gotta get that Wendy's. Yeah, I don't know what it is, but they got a fire sandwich at Wendy's. I don't know if you're going out for breakfast or not, but they got a fire breakfast sandwich at Wendy's. All right, I'm just gonna do something wholesome to keep my mind off of this. Let's look at Instagram. That's how it be, gang. That's how it be. Why did I smurf thick? Why is this shit getting fucked? All right, yo, chat. Do we pull out or no? Chat, do we pull out? Chat, do we pull out or do we stay? Do we stay strong? Do we sit on our hands? Do I sit on my hands? Do I sit on my hands? Yeah, I might have to. Yeah. Let's Oh shit. I feel like we gotta stay strong, brothers. We gotta stay strong. If it goes to 50, then obviously I gotta get out. But like negative 50, I mean. Never pull out. All right, bet. Say less. Never pull out, man. Never pull out. I gotta sit on my hands. Oof. Oof. I'm literally sitting on my hands right now. Like, damn near grabbing my cheeks. It's not much. Like, my buying power, it's probably about, I don't even know. I started out with 570 today. Hit a trade for $14. Somebody do the math on this. I don't freaking know. Put in about 60 for this trade. Yeah, so I don't know. No, yo, C Gray. I cannot. I honestly cannot. This is my 5th day doing this on stream. I'm just trying to take you guys through my journey, through my process. I'm not a professional by any means. I can teach you. Well, I can show you which apps that you need or which websites you need, the ones that I use, but definitely not trying. I don't want to put you in a bad position by like trying to give you advice. But yeah, definitely learn from my mistakes. Learn from my wins. I said, oh, hell nah. Hustlers don't stop. They keep going. Why not risk life when it's gonna keep going? Come on, bro. Why aren't y'all trying to drive up the price, bro? Like, yo, buyers, we need a whale to come in. Yo, we need a fat ass whale to come in, drive up the price like crazy right now. Like, come on, gang. Y'all being selfish right now. Y'all see this bitch getting crushed. I know this got to be an attractive buying point right here. It's buying low and selling high. Yeah, but there's more to it. There's more to it. But essentially, yes. You know, you buy low, sell high. Might even buy high and ride it high. That's a little risky. But, yeah, nah, it just depends. Oh, fuck. There we go. Oh my god. Go back over 84, you bitch. Went up 2 cents. Real emotional roller coaster. Holy shit. This is why, like, yo, you just gotta sit back and be nonchalant. You just gotta nonchalantly be ready to lose money. Yeah, so C Gray, I entered this one at about, I think, like $64. Like $64, and as you see, I'm down 41. I am new to trading. The only knowledge that I have is from watching videos on YouTube and DMing people who I know who trade on Instagram, and just obviously trading. The best way to learn is to do something. I firmly believe that. So yeah, that's how I've been learning. You lose and you win. That's just the way it goes. But not all wins are good wins. Like, sometimes you might just get lucky. You feel me? And then sometimes you lose and you learn a lot more from a loss than you do from a win. So you definitely have to lose. You have to lose in this shit. You could tell I'm getting serious when I put both my feet on my chair. Did I turn on ads? Oh yeah, I definitely turned on ads. But yeah, this is day 5 of me streaming my day trading journey. I put in some trades yesterday. I won both of those. I put in a trade this morning. I won that one. It was Delta Airlines. So just trying to have 2 positive days in a row. You gotta start doing big trades. Nah, yo, I'm still learning, bro. Yo, I'm still learning. I'm going with the little trades for now. Because, bro, I can't imagine, like, say I put in three contracts for this, right? If I was down what is that, like 120? Yo, my ass would be scared as fuck right now, gang. That's just too much. So like I gotta slowly build the confidence. Slowly build my portfolio, keep learning, keep trusting my process, learn a new strategy, and then we go bigger. And then we scale. But for now it's just like little trades, baby steps. Crazy thing is, I think it has to get back above this line for me to profit. Or maybe like a little more over the line for me to profit. So probably about like 85, like 85.4. It's got to go up a whole dollar for me to profit, which, is that crazy? Yeah. Should I do it? Let's wait for it to pull back a little. Steal a brain rot was good. He said, yo, my bro, it's me. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, bro. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I can't see the whole market, bro. I can't see the whole market. I wish I could, though. Alright, let's see what the... Alright, hold on. Let's see what the different options are. Oh, shit. This ain't even bad, bro. This ain't even bad. Alright, let's go for it. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see how the other stocks are doing. Because I think that this one follows other index funds. And yeah, we are running right now. Alright, yeah, we gotta go for it. Let's go for it. Let's put in a little trade. Let's do 3 contracts right here. Fuck. Alright, let's wait for it to pull back. Oh, fuck. It just keeps running. Damn! Yeah. Nah, yeah, I feel that. Trust. You have goated TikTok vids. Thank you, bro. Let's see what it is first. Oh, so this got like BlackRock, NASDAQ, Invesco, QQQ in it. Oh, so yeah, this just follows the S&P 500. Oh, yeah, that's a solid move then. That's a solid move. Let's do it. Fuck, yo, the price keep going up. Yo, if we just would have bought it. Nevea, what's good, Nevea? This is driving up too. Yeah, I know. I don't want to just make the call, you know, just because of emotions, or I'm like, oh fuck, like what could have been. Damn. We could have bought that shit at 99, and look at where it's at right now. Well, like this being 99. Look where it's at right now. So I don't know what that would be profit-wise, but hey, it's going up. When are you giving people food? I did that last week. Yeah, let's just wait for it to pull back a little bit. Alright, we're going to wait for this to pull back a little bit, but let's watch it. Let's get rid of this. I know, yo, I sold. C-grade. It just depends on what you want to get. It depends on what you want to get out of the trade. For me, I really just want to be positive in general. So like, the last trade, made $14 off of that. That's all I wanted. All I wanted was $10. For something like this, that's been getting fucked. As soon as it goes positive, I might just take it. I honestly might just take it. Because, like I said, I just want to be positive, bro. You can't mark on it? Oh, yeah, like set a limit. I think I can, bro. All right, here we go. It's going back down again. It's going back down. I don't know how to do that on here though. That's the thing. If I knew how to do that, this would be a lot less stressful, honestly. IWM. So you gambling, kinda? Yeah, but there's a way to make it a little more educated than what I'm doing, and then it's like you're not gambling. Fuck. Yeah, nah, yo, you're good, you're good, you're good. If anything, bro, if anything, we just look out for it tomorrow or the next day. The thing is, bro, we don't gotta hit home runs every single day. You feel me? Like, you really don't gotta hit home runs every single day. Would it be nice? Fuck yeah, it would be nice. But it's like, just get a couple wins, learn something, and then move on. This would be so nice if it ended up getting to this point. Oh my gosh, that'd be lovely. Damn. Watching this shit low-key hurts, gang. Fuck. If you invested the 10K into that QQ stock, I told you one day you wouldn't even be trading by now, bro. So you like, all right, this might be dumb as fuck. This might be dumb as fuck. And for anybody in the chat, I've been thinking about selling some long-term positions, like some stocks I have for years for this day trading shit. That might be stupid, bro. That might be stupid. That might be the dumbest thing y'all ever heard, but like, I've been thinking about it, right? That might work out. Nah. That would set me back years, bro. Yeah, that would set me back years. Unless I got a job that was like high paying as fuck. Then yeah, then that would make sense. But like, doing some shit like that, nah, hell no. Alright, let's see what's going on with the rest of the market. Alright, it's consolidating right now. The market's consolidating. I feel like, alright. Like I said before, we don't go. What's good, Baba? We don't gotta go for the home run. Right? We don't gotta go for the home run. Would a home run be nice? Yes. But instead of 3 contracts, let's just go with 1. Let's just go with 1 contract. 1 contract at a cool, that's like $30 in the pot. What do I make off of that? I don't know. Make like a cool $7 off of that. As long as we're profitable, it is cool. You don't got to be like these people who are making $500K in a day. I'll just go ahead and submit it. Done. All right. $6 before tax? Yeah. All right, this is the last trade. This is the last trade of the day, bro. This is the last trade of the day. I hope I don't cook you. Nah. Now, if I would have did like, if I would have did 3 contracts, then I would have been cooked. But this is also me. This is also me. A part of this is for entertainment purposes, but I also do want to learn how to day trade, and this is teaching me how to day trade in real time. Like, y'all are giving me stocks to look at and shit. I look at it, we analyze it for a little bit, probably not as long as we should, and then we pull the trigger, you know? Can't be scared. Scared money don't make no money. If I ever go broke, I'm gonna take your money. Nah, deadass. Like, yo, I'm gonna rob y'all. If I go broke. Yeah, no diddy shit. There we go. Keep running. Start running, baby. Alright. And then you start going the other way like a bitch. I feel like the safe thing to do is just trade these index funds. Because I know more about index funds than any other individual stock. And just like it is safer to trade index funds long term, it's probably safer to trade it short term. Like, people are gonna be like, in day trading you can't worry about being safe, but like, I'm not trying to make 10K in a day. Just give me my cool little like 50 in a day off this shit and you'll be good. And then I would love to get to the point where we scale and I'm making like 100 in a day, 200 in a day, 300 in a day. But like, for now, just give me a nice little positive return like we got right now. Just give me a nice little positive return like we got right now. $7? Oh shit. Here we go. And this is when it gets fun. 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 And this is when it gets fun, chat. And this is when it gets fucking fun, chat. And this is when it gets fucking fun, chat. Alright, yo, stop going down. Yo, you play too much. Yo, you play too much. Yo, for real though. Yo, you play too much. 19%? Imagine if I just did 3 contracts on this bitch, bro. See, scared money don't make money. But I'm cool with the small little wins for now, bro. I'm cool with this. There we go. Keep running. Choo-choo. Keep chugging. Choo-choo. You know that you want to keep running, bro. Like, gang, why are you doing this to me? Alright. I feel like if I go up 19% again, I feel like you have to take that trade. That's such a good amount right there. Like, just looking at percentages. We're not even looking at dollar amount. Don't look at dollar amount. Just look at percentages. Alright, bet rapid. Oh, damn. Alright, bet you'll run the fade, son. Shit, you'll run the fade then. There we go. I'll go up. Bro, what are you doing, bro? Go for a run, bro. You playing with my money, gang. Oh shit, yeah, this bitch trending up. Alright, turn up then. Alright, turn up then, little bro. Alright, turn up then, little bro. Turn up then, little bro. Did I get greedy? I got fucking greedy. Did I get greedy? Nah. Nah, yo, we good. I've played these games before, chat. I've played these games before. Come on. Here we go. All right, now we're playing ball again. Now we're not playing ball. This is the fucking biggest emotional roller coaster, and it's only 10:47. My heart should not be pumping this much at 10:47. So with that being said, as soon as it goes over 80, yes sir, my son. Yes sir. Come on. How you doing today, my son? Good morning. Come on. Let's play ball. Yo, let's play ball. Yo, go back over 70. Go back over 70, G. Six, 7. Oh, yo, you're going the wrong way, bro. You're being a bitch. All right, the way I'm gauging this, I'm looking at the S&P 500 as well, and they pretty much move in sync. So S&P, it's got a fat ass green candle, pointed to the sky, pointed to heaven. So it looks like this one's going on a run too. Let's go. Gotta keep this shit in motion, my son. We're getting crushed on another play, but that's cool. You know, like you always say, my son, we gotta take this shit on the chin. Yeah, yo, Milo. I gotta close out 2 more trades. Bro. Oh, shit. Alright. We gotta close this one out pretty soon. I don't want to be sitting here too long. This one, I'm just gonna let it run all day. See what happens. Maybe not all day. If I'm getting crushed too much, we gotta let it go. But there's some plays that just take a little longer than others, you know. You feel me, Milo? You feel me? All right, your prison cheeks on dick, bro. Hey, Mr. Take that risk. Mr. Take that risk and end up bankrupt. Nah, psych, nah, that's not me. I wouldn't even wish that on myself. Wouldn't wish that on my worst enemy game. All right, see, now we're playing ball. We're back over 70 cents. Get back to 80, game. Get back to 80. You know you want to. You know you want to, bro. See, now times like this is when I wish I put in more contracts. Next week, all right, so this week we're just going to do single contracts, you know, like just one contract per trade. Next week, we're going to start doing multiple. I feel like it's that time. All right, bet my son. Yo, good luck, man. Good luck, good luck. Don't get too greedy. And damage control, you know what to do, my son. Send help. Oh my god. Yo. Yeah, you got this game. Just remember, going positive is better than going negative. Even if I just go up this dollar right now, like that's better than going negative. That's better than going negative. I would take going up $2 versus going down 4. As long as you in the green, you good. As long as you in the green game, you good. Yeah, go ahead, Milo. Go ahead, do that then. But you're not wrong. Yeah, exactly, bro. Shit, yo, I would gladly take $1, bro. A singular dollar, yes. Versus losing? Yes. Yes. Oh, shit, yo, my foot fell asleep. All right, this one's going back up. Let's go. It's going on a little run. Yo, when we were down here, yeah, I can't lie. I was freaking the fuck out. But we good now, though. I hope. Come on, yo, let's play ball again. All right, now we playing ball. Let's go. Let's play ball again. This time, yo, I'm not getting too greedy. I'm not getting too greedy. When I get to my number, we're pulling out. I don't care. I don't care how much it goes up after that. A win is a win. You gotta take your wins in this shit, bro. You gotta take your wins. That shit mandatory. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. There we go. There we go. What's that next number gonna do? Ooh. One more. What's that gonna do now? Fuck. Can it get the 267? Bro, can it get 267? Can it hit 6-7? Chat, will this trade hit 6-7? Oh shit. Will this trade hit 6-7? I mean, it's definitely hitting a 6-7 down here. Fuck. See, yo, this is why you can't get greedy. That's why you can't get greedy. There we go. Let's play ball again. Let's play ball again. Let's play ball. Let's play ball. Let's play ball again. Let's play ball again. Wait, let's refresh this. I don't know if it just closed out the trade or not. I hope not. Did it? Nah, yo, it's still going. It's still going. Okay, cool. I keep telling myself to not get greedy, bro. I keep telling myself to not get greedy, then here I am fucking getting greedy. When it jumps that much, it's so hard to not get greedy. Oh my god. Oh shit, silver's at 85? Silver's at 85 right now? Oh shit, yo, we are making some plays today. We're making some fucking banger plays today. Alright. We gotta pull out. Let's pull out. Wait, what the fuck? End the trade. Oh shit, yo, I was in the wrong view. I was in the wrong view the whole time. Oh my god. Oh shit. Is this gonna hit 6-7? If this hits 6-7, we go crazy. If this hits 6-7, we go crazy. If this hits 6-7, we go crazy. Chat, what do I always say? What do I always say, chat? Don't get greedy. And what the fuck am I doing right now? Getting fucking greedy. I can't tell if it's gonna hit 90 cents or not, bro. It keep flirting with the line, but it don't want to go over, bro. It keep flirting with the line, but it don't want to go over. Day 5, let's get it, man. What's good, Warrior? Oh my gosh. Yeah, here we go. The silver play is coming back up. See what happens when you get greedy, chat? The pullback happens. And now you gotta sit here a little longer, bro. You only do sports bets. See, the thing about sports bets, well, either one you really can't control. You can pull out of sports bets, though. You can. I forgot about that. Yeah, nah. I like this shit a lot more. I'm more of a finance guy. I do like sports, though. I do like sports. 6-7? Not the 6-7 we want, though. Oh my god, yo. You see what happens when we get greedy? You see what happens when we fucking get greedy? You see what happens when we get greedy? We start losing. Oh my gosh, bro. A pullback is necessary, though. You know what they say? They say An arrow cannot go up forever. You gotta readjust. Pull back. Boom. For a stronger return. Sometimes you gotta fix your bow. And that's what it does whenever it pulls back. It fixed their bow. And then we come back for a better return. It's crazy the shit that you'll tell yourself just to cope. Mike has static. Thank you, son. Appreciate it, son. Go to the store and get Pops a new one, son. Oh, shit. Here we go. Oh, fuck. Here we go. Oh, fuck. Here we go. This shit low-key stressing me the fuck out. This is not good for me. Like, bro, I already know, like, yo, this shit taking years off my life. We needed that little pullback, though. We needed that. We needed that. We needed that. Because for a stock to just go up forever, that's just not realistic. Like, look at all this action down here, right? It goes up, pull back, go up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back, up, pull back, up. You feel me? Like, bro, nothing goes up forever, G. Not even Tom Brady's career. And he the GOAT. He the GOAT. He had some down years. He had some up years. But he had more up years than down years. And that's what makes you the GOAT. Will it get back to 80 cents though? That's the real question, chat. That's the real question. Will it get back to 80 cents? I don't know. I don't know. I'm only 21. I don't know. Stop fucking playing with me, game. Like, god damn. I might have to go bald, bro. I might have to go bald because I'm gonna start losing my hair off this shit, gang. For real. See, I feel like it's just the fact that whenever I get greedy, this is what happens. Then you end up sitting here for like 10, 15 more minutes than what you really have to. And fuck. Yeah, now it's on a downward slope, and we are kind of cooked. I was just at home. See? Fuck. Look at this swing. Look at this swing, bro. God damn. Could have been up $10. Went about my day. Nice little $10 play. You know, but now look at us. Down. Baby, are you down, 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 down? That's why, yo, you gotta set your limits and you gotta be firm with it. You gotta be firm with it. You gotta be okay with not making more than what your limit set at. Like, deadass. I feel like that's the main thing in this. You just gotta be firm. Like, that euphoria that you get whenever you're rising. You can't make decisions based on that. Same shit with being at the casino game. Same exact shit. And yo, I get that. Yo, like, iShares, Russell. I get it, bro. I do. And this one's still getting crushed a little bit, but it's doing better. It's way better than being down here. Because at one point, we were here, getting crushed. Fuck. You know what they say, chat? Sometimes you gotta sit on your hands. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm sitting on my fucking hands. It's hard to not pull out. You know? A guy like me, pull out game be strong. Let's go. Damn. Chat, set your limits and go with it. Don't get greedy, gang. Don't get greedy. I'd rather be positive than negative, even if I'm positive by only $1. Deadass. Let's see if it breaks to this point right here. Damn, I made the right play. I just didn't execute it right. Execution. That's everything. Sometimes you gotta lose to win. Fuck. People say anything to cope. People say anything to cope. People say anything to hit. You know, that's just the way humans are. All right, there we go. Oh shit. Chat, I can't even lie, it's not looking too good for us. But we've got to stay positive. No HIV. Damn. Alright, well, I'm going to get off stream and sweat this. I'm going to sweat this trade off stream. And I will catch y'all later, bro. Thank y'all for tuning in to this journey of mine. I'll see y'all later.